All right, we're looking for event and complement, and as you'll see in other problems, this can be very valuable. Sometimes it's much easier to work with the complement or find that and then find the original event than directly finding the probability of an event. So very handy tool to have. So here we have 1,000 soil samples and 964 do not contain a hazardous material. So this is a good thing, I would imagine, not getting a hazardous material. And so A is the event that the sample does not contain. So 964 of those out of those 1,000 will not contain. So we're supposed to write as a decimal number 964 divided by 1,000. You might be able to calculate that knowing about decimals. But if not, just type it in there to your calculator and you'll get 0.964. Okay, what about the chance that the sample does contain? Well, if 964 do not contain, that means the others do contain. And we could do that a couple different ways. We could do 1,000 minus this, and that'd be the number that do contain it, and divide by 1,000. Or we can just recognize, oh, this is the complement of this event, so it should be, I'll make this a little higher here, there we go, 1 minus 0.964 would give us 0.036. And do watch your decimal here. I've seen so many times where a student will do 0.36 or 0.0036. Look very, I don't care if you have that leading zero or not, but making sure that between the decimal and the 3 you have exactly 110 here. Okay.